to bring you something? What you want? You tell me what you want, I'll bring it.
Tell me, Mom. What is it?
Yeah. I can understand exactly everything you're saying. Is Daddy still being good? Huh?
Tell me, Mom. Tell me, Mom.
Tell her, Sierra.
Sarah, you still there? You got real quiet. I can hear you breathing.
Tell me, Mom.
Tell her. Yeah, go.
What's Sonic doing? Huh? You talked to Sonic today? Oh, didn't like that one.